accordance, I shall do all the right to the member of the party.
I signal the beginning of that hectic assignment of delivering our presidential candidate and all other candidates of the party in the 2023 election. I have no doubt whatsoever that in this election we have men of integrity who are ready to sacrifice everything for the party to win. That the very first assignment myself and the chairman of the campaign council did even before today's inauguration was to speak to ourselves and look forward to bringing the entire members of the party together. And by so doing, we have decided that we are going to be having a stakeholders meeting on Monday that will comprise of all LGA ESCOs, all ward ESCOs, all leaders, everybody. And he has donated this venue for us to have that.
Yeah, my name is Tola. And of course, most of the things that we're going to cover in this particular campaign is different from the previous ones, as elucidated by the chairman of the campaign council. We want to do a campaign that is going to be from the base up, not from the top down now. That is the major difference. And also, the innovation that he talked about of members waving flags on the Third Mainland Bridge. We're going to replicate that all over the state, because recently, we've had situations where the other party, when we put posters up, we put banners and things like that, we tear them down. But luckily, this morning when I woke up, the first thing I read in the papers was Mr. President, Alhaji Muhammadu Buhari, saying that he was not going to tolerate any thuggery this time around. And I'm sure he has his party members, especially in Lagos State, in mind when he said that. And I feel very, very comfortable, because I know all the most of the police, the army, and those ones that they usually use previously are going to be handicapped this time around, especially that the president has told them that no thuggery is going to be encouraged. So I feel very good that this time around we are going to win this state by the grace of God. And of course, we are not going to depend on fighting and throwing missiles the way they used to. We are going to use the people to change the facet of this.
And it's become almost like impossible for this state PDP to have confidence in the party.
Are you talking about the presidential or the governorship?
Governorship.
The governorship is quite clear. Definitely with very hard work and with the beavers in place now and the energetic nature of our candidate, I'm sure you have seen quite a lot of movement on the grassroots level. Today, for instance, you saw the APC have always been tearing our posters on the Third Mainland Bridge, but today we brought up a new innovation, and that is we had a stomping at the Third Mainland Bridge. At the end of the day, we had people standing with our flags and with our flyers in the hold-up there, and definitely that has sent a very strong message to Lagos State APC that it's not going to be business as usual. And I will tell you this, in the past, definitely we have not been very present at the polling units, but this time around, we are going to be at the polling units in a very heavy way. We have close to about 13,000 polling units, and we have already mapped out plans to be at those polling units.
Okay, what effort is the party trying to close, unify all and lead members to close rank, come together towards victory for the party?
I'm happy to be on the air talking to the good people of Lagos State. What you're going to expect from this council now is a more robust campaign. and a more robust visibility in Lagos State. Right now, this campaign council is being inaugurated today in several other local governments, in several wards of the state, and also communities of the state, and then the polling units of the state. You understand? So I am going to tell you categorically that at the end of the day, with the Director General that we have on board now, I'm sure that things are going to change, and I'm sure that he will be able to explain further on what his plan is. But I'm sure he will not divulge his secrets to you.
Okay, how come